Okay, so I'm back. I've got my fubuti and my kumkum, and this is what I use to bust my coconut. And I got on my outfit that I wear when I do my little Ganesha stuff. And here we go. I've already set my intentions and I've already said my prayer. So I'm just going to hold it, and this is how we go. Om Gam. 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 I visualize what no longer serves me going into the coconut as like gray smoke, like smoky gray, dark gray, whatever it is that you are wanting to release. That's how I see it literally. I see divine white light coming from the top, well, my higher self, my chakra up above, outside of my body, and I see them pouring light down into me and the darkness leaving out of my hands going into my coconut. That's how I do it. Om Gam. 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 Om Gam is Lord Ganesha's Bija mantra, which is his seed mantra, which is the seed that grows into the big tree. So Ganesha's seed mantra is gum, Gum, gum. And that's what we say, that's what we chant, among other chants, but that's just what we say when we do the karma removal is Om Gum. So I actually was doing it before, and then I thought maybe I should do a little bit on the video just to give you an example of how it goes. So I'm going to bust my coconut now. Thank you.